Morocco. We have landed. Oh, it's a bit blurry. We have landed and we've just got into our hotel. For any of you wondering, we're staying in, is it Ryu or Rui? Ryu, Takeda Dunas, something like that. So we've got 2 hotel rooms because obviously we're just a bit older, but they are actually adjoining rooms. So we do have a door that shuts it off and like we're separate. But I just thought I'd give you a little hotel tour. But when you walk in, here's what you see. So we have a nice wardrobe. We've got a really nice big mirror here. Oh yeah, this is my outfit for going down. I switched from leggings. I was gonna wear leggings, but I decided against it, so I just went for this. In the end, we have a nice bathroom, which Mum and Dad's isn't frosted in the middle, so I'm kind of glad ours is. But we've just got a nice toilet, a bidet, really cute little bathroom, really big mirror, really nice shower as well. Like, how nice is that? We then have another wardrobe in here. Oh my god, I hope I don't get copyrighted from the music, but we've got 2 beds, which are nice singles. We can put our suitcases under, a nice TV, and then a really big dressing area with another really big mirror. A fridge with some water and a nice sofa. But our suitcases haven't been dropped off yet, so we're waiting for them. But we really need food because we're starving. I did buy an almond croissant at the airport, but it tasted like marzipan and I do not like marzipan, so yeah, we're just getting ready to go get lunch because it is now 12 o'clock here, but it's 1 o'clock UK time, so yeah. Suitcases have arrived. Oh, that white balance isn't very good. I've just popped on a pair of shorts and got my sunglasses on. I've also just popped some sandals on and we're gonna go and head for some lunch. Also, I had my hair curled yesterday and I'm so glad because I just feel so much more put together and ready. I haven't brought any curlers or straighteners with me, so to have curly hair on day 1 feels quite nice, although it's not very curly underneath. Yeah, we're heading off. We're heading off for our lunch. I don't know if you can even see me like this, and I should probably turn the exposure down. We're heading for lunch. We don't know where we're going, I don't think. Dad's leading the way.
We need to go to reception as well, don't we?
Yeah, do we?
Reception will ask where we go for lunch.
Okay. But it's so nice and sunny and warm. And I'm absolutely starving. I've said that 100 times.
We need to scan, I think.
I don't know. Oh, I forgot how long it takes to zoom.
I've seen 3.
5. Go.
4. 3 on that rock. 3 on this end of the rock.
One there.
No, so 1 on that one, 1 on that one, 1 on that one at the bottom of the waterfall. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. You said 4, 5. All together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah. Froggos.
You
up
see
there.
those 2 rocks in the middle?
Very cute. Oh god, that's hot.
It is hot.
We've just stopped off for our lunch, which we are very excited about. I feel like I wish I picked up more mussels now, but we just got a bit of fish, just a bit of everything to try really, and a glass of rosé and some water. But this looks really yummy. So we've just got changed, ready to go. We're gonna have like a little walk around, find out where everything is, and then probably go in the pool because the waves look pretty big. Like, I wasn't expecting them to be quite choppy, but I guess they are. But I just thought I'd show you the bikini that I have chose for today. Here we go. This is the one from Reclaimed Vintage, which is really cool because it's an underwired bikini, but it is a tie back and it's also high-waisted bikini bottoms, which is super cute. I love the blue. So this is what we've gone for. The hair has been tied up and now I'm going to cover myself with sun cream. We're all ready and we're just getting ready now. Well, I'm ready, not everyone else is, but my sun cream's on. And we're gonna head out and have an explore and a sunbathe. Very excited. And we're gonna go.
Not very old, is it?
Hello. Oh, did you? Hello. Can you hear it, Dad? Oh, baby. But we've just tried to get in and our keys don't seem to be working. Mine and Gracie's didn't really work when we first came, so I've been using Dad's, but now Dad's isn't working either. So we've left Mum and Dad to go down and do all of that while we wait here, locked out of our room. But here's our view from like the other side. This is what we see. And this down here is really nice too. And this is just the row. So we're on the top floor. And that's our room there. And that's Mum and Dad's. So yeah, cute. While we're here, this is my cover up. It's this white one from Shein. And I literally love it because I feel like I'm wearing a dress, but it's actually like a shirt type thing. I love it. Literally one of my favourite purchases that I've got this year. So this is outfit for tonight. Going out just to like the normal restaurant, if that makes sense. This dress is from Shein, and then I've also just got some little white Shein heels on. I don't know if you could actually see, let me show you. Anyway, this is what we can see. I don't know. Oh, doesn't look very good on camera. Sun's just starting to go down. This is Mum and Dad's balcony. Mum's playing Taylor Swift very loudly. So yeah, this is the outfit here, this cute little dress. This was actually in one of my recent hauls, so if you haven't seen it, then go watch. But I've now organised my wardrobe, which is really good. Here's my dressing gown, which was really nicely ironed. And everyone said to roll it and it won't crease, and it's really creased, so that's really good. So here is swimwear and like cover-ups, that kind of thing. I've got 2 cardigans, shorts and t-shirts and trousers, underwear, shoes up here, gym, PJs, dresses and trousers. So this is like the evening stuff. Yeah, pretty cute. Mum? Mum? All the birds have congregated into the pool.
Let's not get pooped on.
We won't, they're over there. Look at them all. Oh, the sky looks a pretty colour now. What did you say this is, Mum?
Onion soup.
An onion soup, which I'm gonna try. And just got a few like crouton bready bits as like a little starter. So I've popped together a few bits. I've got couscous, some lentils, I think these are beans of some sort, some roasted carrots and like tomatoes, some fried fish. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's called like le fire or something like that. Let's give it a try. Turns out I can't eat any of the desserts. We asked one of the chefs and he said nothing. So I've just picked up some strawberries, I've had a couple grapes, and I've got some pineapple. But I don't want to eat too much of the fruit because I feel like I'm going to live off of that at breakfast as well. You've got one of the little cake things, haven't you? Some of the desserts literally look delicious, and it makes me miss cream. And like, what have you got there? Is that like a chocolate mousse? Like, it looks so good. And Dad's got a what's that? Is that like a creme brulee?
It's like creme caramel sort of thing.
Oh, I'm so jealous. So we've just gotten in from our little evening out. We sat in the little, it wasn't a bar, but it kind of was with the seating, and there was a guy doing some singing, and we played some Uno, had a cocktail. But we've come back pretty early, I think it's like 9:30, but we're going to be up quite early tomorrow because we're going to the gym at 8, and I need food before because I'm really annoying and I need food before I do anything because otherwise I will literally be sick. So everyone's been moaning at me. But you know, that's okay. Come in. Yeah, we just had a really lovely evening. I'm glad I kind of managed to make a meal. But yeah, I spoke to one of the chefs and asked about dessert. And I was like trying to point to dairy, and then he said in French, so we were like, lait? And he said, oh, no. And I was like, just fruit? And he was like, yeah. So I'm gonna have no dessert while I'm here. And it all looks so good, but I know that if I do eat a lot of it, then I will just mess my stomach up. If I eat like tiny bits at a time, it's okay. So if I have a bit of butter or something on bread, fine. If I have ice cream, maybe not. But yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for bed in a minute, but I will show you the balcony in a minute. But I'm just gonna go get ready, take my makeup off and get back to you guys. But I think that'll be the end of the vlog once I've done that. I don't know. Oh, our room's really cool though. Oh, also we don't have aircon. I don't know if it's the whole of Morocco or Agadir, but part of the law is that you're not allowed the aircon on until May, I want to say. It has been 31 degrees today, but it's not too bad in here, I'm not gonna lie. So we've just got a fan above our bed, which seems to be working okay. We have got our aircon on, but we have got it on like 13 degrees, but I don't think it's working, but you know. Right, I'm all ready for bed. Let me just quickly show you my outfit. And it kind of actually matches. I've just got these cute little, I think these are actually technically misguided, but I got them from ASOS. So just these really cute little like pink PJs with some white lace, and then this is from Shein and it's just a satin robe. But I just thought I'd show you outside. It's a bit colder now, but let me show you. You can see and hear the waves. They're so loud. I love it. They're really big waves. So the main like restaurants are over here, and then this is the pool area. Just got my stuff out to dry. They're nearly there. Anyway, I just need to moisturize and do all of that kind of jazz, but the room is much cooler now actually. The fan hasn't even been on that long, but it already feels so much better. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly just put on my moisturizer and stuff, and then I'm ready for bed. I'm actually quite tired, to be honest. And since I am gonna have to be up at like 7 tomorrow, I feel like it's good to get a good old early night. Oh, I love this little robe. It's just a nice little throw on. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be another really hot day, I think, about 30 degrees, which will be really nice. So as I said, we've got the gym in the morning. I think we've got a little welcome meeting because I guess because it was a Sunday today, but I don't know. And we're just gonna kind of chill. But I did pick up this the other day with my mum. This is, I think this was cruelty free, but honestly I'm not sure. I did a quick Google while we were in the shop, so I might be wrong. Please let me know if I am wrong. But this is the Malibu SPF 30 Clear Hair and Scalp Protector, and it's basically like a spray oil that you spray onto your scalp to protect it. It's like a sun cream, but it doesn't leave your hair greasy. I tried it out today, so I will be using that this holiday, but so far so good. I'm going to end this vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed the first vlog of being in Morocco. And yeah, also we never stay in all-inclusive in a hotel. Like, we never stay in hotels, so this has just been a really different holiday for us. But day one has been very chilled, very, very tired, because I mean right now I think it's probably like 10 Moroccan time, which is 11 UK time, and we've obviously been up since 3 AM or 2 AM Moroccan time, so we've been up a long time. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave links to my TikTok and my Instagram down below, so please go check them out and give me a little follow if you'd like. And I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye. I can't breathe without your